Mushroom bag deployed.
Welcome to Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Ooh, stuck it. First fish is... Whoa. Hang on to. Right in the eyeball. Yeah. I like. Well, the clouds are breaking, the sun's coming out. It's gonna be pretty decent for a while. Get the wife and we're gonna go try to find some mushrooms. Picked up a new little bag yesterday for mushrooming and whatnot, since my other one's my fishing pouch now. But yeah, after my rebates it was free, so why not? Not real proud it's made in China, but it is pretty dang tough. Good zippers, mollies everywhere, plenty of storage everywhere, and water pack compatible. Identification books in there. Probably do a small first aid kit, you know, just a few necessities, and then this pack's ready for whenever we just go out nature hiking or whatever, and throw the other stuff in there if I need to. A paracord, eating utensils, all kinds of little pockets in here. Okay. First aid kit. Dry bag. We're all situated. There. Leatherman tool, just in case. That'll work. Water bottle fits perfectly in the side. I'm digging it. Better throw some of this in. Ticks are out. Well, it's mushrooms, it's not the right kind we're after. Well, here's my mushroom bag. We got into it.
Here we go. You don't want to film this just for funny? Wait a minute. Look, I'm going inside this net.
Okay. Mushroom bag deployed.
Got barbed wire, fog sensors.
Game on.
Hello, fella. Very small, hard to spot. little jag of grays. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. We sure did. And share it if you liked it. And if you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll talk to you later. I got a mess.